It's like a fairy wonderland, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
It's incredible.
This is epic.
It's one of the best things to do in the Sonthofen area. If you're here for a weekend, 48 hours, this is the things to do here. Bit of a tight squeeze on the parking. Pretty nice view though. So we've made it to the start of this hopefully small trail.
Is it called Hinanger? Hinanger Wasserfall.
There's a massive sign and a path leading hopefully up to it. There's a vending machine for snacks.
I can see cheese.
Lots of cheese. So you can get
Fish and chicks.
you can get all the snacks there. They've got it all. The full 350 metres. We left the Black Forest, but we're straight into some trees.
Yeah, straight into a tree. Look at that little bridge.
It's a nice little trail this. Lovely sounds of the water streaming down. A nice area.
I like this forest. Don't you?
Yeah, look at that.
This is lovely.
Oh. Oh. Look at that. It's really flowing.
Can you go up there?
That's we do, look. Some steps. We found it, have we?
Oh, I can see something else up there.
Or is this the lower part of it?
Oh, I think it is.
Well, the lower part was nice to look at. But it looks like there's the main attractions at the top.
Just spotted it through the trees, a tiny little bit, and there's some steps leading up. Always a good sign.
Let's check it out, people. Enormous rocks surrounded by all these trees. They've built all these steps leading to it. Quite an amazing thing to see.
It is, isn't it? I love it when you get a sense of you're literally below the tree line as you go up through the forest. I think that's so cool. I don't know why I love that, but it's really cool.
You started to see more and more of the waterfall. It's like a fairy wonderland, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
It's quite amazing how all these steps have been built.
Just like in between the rocks and the trees.
Look at that. That looks absolutely incredible.
Looks like you can get really close as well.
Look at that. And with the rain we've had, it's probably at maximum capacity.
I think it is, you know.
Look at that. It's incredible. I said it was the best thing to do here.
You weren't wrong.
If you only have 48 hours, you've got to come and see this.
This is epic. This might, does it beat the Black Forest?
This might be the best waterfall we've seen so far in Germany.
I mean, come on, this is amazing.
And we've just seen 17 amazing waterfalls. So this might be beating a whole lot of them.
That's incredible.
Absolutely unbelievable. Wow. Wow.
You get so close to it as well.
It's so loud.
I know.
coming off the side of the gorge. Absolutely amazing.
It's incredible. It looks like it's laser beamed its way through the rocks over millions of years. It's incredible.
Absolute 5-star, without a doubt. Takes about 10-15 minutes to get up the steps.
Yeah.
But definitely you've got to do it if you're in the Sonthofen region.
Could Germany get any better? That's the question. I don't think it can.
Oh, moved his head.
He's looking for breakfast, isn't he?
Day 2, Starzlachklamm trail. We've been walking for about 10-15 minutes, quite steep, and with a massive waterfall has just appeared.
I don't know if this is the main event, but it looks blooming good.
I think it's quite a long one. You can keep walking up and up and up. So we'll see how far we get.
Let's have a look at the waterfall. That is going on.
Very cool. Like a slide, isn't it?
Isn't it? Yeah. This is the Starzlachklamm, 6 minutes out of Sonthofen. Let's see what it's like. Looks pretty good already. We haven't even got the tea out or paid to get in yet.
Waterfall 229.
Oh yeah, almost forgot.
Let's cross the bridge. €4.
€4 each, yeah, €8 to get us in, so let's see. And we've done a few of these in southern Germany now, haven't we?
Yeah.
And they've all been brilliant. So hopefully this is just as good. We got here for pretty much bang on opening time, 9. And there's a few people here already. Some people have obviously booked in advance.
You don't need to.
But no, you don't need to. And we were even able to pay by card, which is really good. Initially, there's some low-level walkways, and it's particularly difficult when you're carrying your tea. But we are English, don't you know?
Definitely need good walking boots too.
Definitely.
Very slippery on the foot.
Yeah. But already it's looking pretty epic. There's views around every corner, as you would expect.
Another waterfall, 230. Got a massive
Oh wow.
pool of water.
Yeah, look at that. We just come across another little bridge with an epic waterfall on it. And it's looking like it's getting a bit Indiana Jones up here with rocks and arrows and whatnot. We might have to put the tea away.
I did read up to the first waterfall was probably the easiest bit. And it gets a bit more tricky after that 30 minutes.
Uh-oh.
Okay, let's see what's up here.
There is handrails.
Indiana Jones Part 2. Check out our Pokluka video in Slovenia after this, if you like this sort of thing. And subscribe, because there's lots more of this coming your way.
But where will we end up?
7,000 waterfalls. That's what we're looking for. Follow the journey. We're out on the other side. And now we have to go left or right.
Oh yeah. Which way?
I don't know. We're back to the car and this way carries on up a mountain for 10 hours. So you've got your choices.
In the meantime, here's a viewpoint.
Got to the end of the trail of the clam part. It took 37 minutes.
You timed it exactly. We turned left just to see what it was like, and it looks like it turns into a mountainous sort of hike, so we'll probably head back the other way. Back through. Is she going to slide down that
She's going to slide down a waterfall. Oh, she went into a rock.
Oh!
Oh
My goodness.
That didn't look comfortable, did it?
No, it didn't. Of the Starzlachklamm, and yeah, highly recommend this one. Both walks that we have done in Sonthofen have been absolutely epic.
Definitely 5 stars. If you've got 48 hours in Sonthofen and there's 2 things you want to do, absolutely recommend both of these walks in this video. Absolute 5-star a must see in South Germany.
And you can see how busy it is. It's about 10 AM and...
At 10:30, isn't it? Yeah. So
it's popular.
The crowds are coming, so it's good to get here for 9 AM if you can.
Definitely, as always, get here as soon as it opens, recommend. Yeah, so, it's been brilliant. We love southern Germany, and this has been a brilliant stay in Sonthofen.
Check out our last video of the Black Forest. More German content there for you. Absolutely amazing waterfalls. Go and check that out. Hit the like button and subscribe if you like waterfalls and hikes.
And we are off to another country next.
So we'll see you in the next one.